Imagine breaking a bone just by rolling over in your sleep. No accident, no fall, just a simple everyday movement. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that a 48-year-old woman in Chengdu, China, experienced exactly this terrifying fracture, all because she avoided sunlight her entire life? Why would avoiding sunlight cause such a severe injury? The answer might shock you, and I promise you'll get the full explanation at the end of this video. So stay tuned. Welcome to Big Fact, where we uncover the most astonishing truths hidden in plain sight. As Leonardo da Vinci once said, learning never exhausts the mind. Today, we're diving deep into a story that connects ancient beauty ideals, modern health crises, and a powerful lesson about balance in our lives. Our story begins with this woman from Chengdu who, driven by a fear of tanning and skin darkening, never wore short sleeves and consistently slathered on sunscreen since childhood. This might sound like a typical case of sun protection taken to the extreme, but what followed was beyond anyone's expectations. Over decades, her avoidance of sunlight led to critical vitamin D deficiency, a vitamin our skin produces when exposed to sunlight, essential for strong bones and immune health. Lack of vitamin D caused her bones to weaken drastically, a condition known as severe osteoporosis. So fragile were her bones that something as simple as turning over in bed was enough to cause rib fractures. Her story went viral on Chinese social media, sparking a nationwide debate on the dangers of extreme sun avoidance. Experts explained that while protecting skin from harmful UV rays is important, completely blocking sunlight can be catastrophic for health. Vitamin D not only helps calcium absorption, which builds strong bones, but also supports immune functions. Here's a crucial reminder. Sunlight exposure is a natural process our bodies need. The key is moderation. Too little causes serious harm, like in this case, while too much exposes us to skin damage and cancer risks. If you're thinking, how can I protect myself without falling into this trap? The answer lies in balance and awareness. Experts suggest spend about 10 to 20 minutes daily in sunlight, especially in the morning or late afternoon, to boost vitamin D naturally. Include foods rich in vitamin D and calcium in your diet, like eggs, fish, dairy products, and fortified foods. Supplement vitamin D if you live in areas with limited sun exposure or have risk factors, but always under medical guidance. Remember to protect your skin wisely. Use sunscreen appropriately, but avoid complete sunlight avoidance. This amazing but cautionary tale reminds us that extremes, even in health and beauty habits, can backfire badly. Our bodies thrive on harmony. And now, if you found this story eye-opening, don't miss out on our next video, where we reveal another unbelievable medical mystery that will challenge what you think you know about your health. Thank you for watching Big Fact. Stay curious, stay balanced, and of course, subscribe now for more truths you can't afford to miss. Hit the bell icon so you never skip a fact. Until next time, remember, the brightest facts come from the simplest truths. Check out our other videos right here for more big revelations. See you soon.